So in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to perform the back squat with good form and technique. So the first thing you wanna think about is your foot placement. The simplest way to go about this is to put your feet about shoulder width apart, and then you want your toes slightly turned out. This is gonna allow you to sink into the deepest squat as you possibly can while maintaining good back position, okay? So that's the first thing you wanna think about. Next, hand placement. So you want your thumbs to be about a thumb's length away, or your hands to be a thumb's length away from the edge of the knurling here. So that's the rough part to the smooth part. So that's where your hands to start. You can bring them out a little bit more, or you can bring them a little narrower to get you in the best position for you and your shoulder anatomy. But then also, if you're a little tight in the shoulders, you may go a little bit wider. So hand placement here, wrap around. Then from there, you're gonna step under. You want the bar to be placed on top of your traps. You don't want it right on the back of your neck, but right on top of your traps. Before you push into the bar, you're gonna take a big breath and expand everything around, not just the front, but expand everything around and drive up. Take 2 to 3 steps out. Find your placement again. Exhale, inhale, and then we're gonna go into our squat. Bending at the hips and the knees at the same time. So hips, knees, same time, making sure that our knees are traveling in the same direction as our second toe. So we don't want them caving in, and we don't want them going out too far, but traveling in the same direction as our second toe. As we walk it back in, we wanna go all the way back in, then drop it down. When you're going into that back squat, you wanna make sure you're maintaining a good back position. So if I'm going into the squat, I don't want my back to end up going like this or arching too much like that. I just want to maintain that back position the whole entire time, okay? And that's how you perform the back squat. See you in the next video.